Wow. Out of nowhere. Boom. The whole entire train just started back rolling. That boom was epic. And you can kind of tell, I think these cars right here are empty because you can hear like the biggest boom, you know, and it sounds like they're empty. Like how you put something in an empty garbage can, trash can. How you put something empty in there and it makes a loud noise. I think these cars are empty. You guys know what I mean. So this will be part 2 of this manifest train. I could have went further up to get him, but nah, I said I'll just stay right here and finish filming it. There's the end of that manifest train right there. Heading south. All right. Look to get a lot more trains today. Roll it.